FPE load centers have a controversial reputation due to safety concerns, but their meter centers generally have a better standing in the industry. FPE meter centers are perceived to be reliable. They are known for their durability and reliability, providing accurate and consistent power monitoring. FPE meter centers are trusted for their high accuracy in measuring electrical consumption. The panels are designed for ease of installation and maintenance, with clear markings and accessible terminals. FPE meter centers incorporate safety features such as ground fault detection, which interrupts power in case of a ground fault, protecting against electrical accidents. They also include circuit breakers to protect individual circuits from overloads and short circuits, and meter guards that prevent accidental contact with live terminals. FPE meter centers meet various industry standards and certifications, including Underwriters Laboratories listed, Canadian Standards Association listed, and American National Standards Institute SAT 4.1. Unlike FPE load centers, meter centers are not designed to distribute power to individual circuits. They primarily serve the following functions: firstly, measure electricity usage; secondly, provide protection against electrical hazards; and thirdly, manage load demand. Overall, the reputation of FPE meter centers is generally positive. They are seen as reliable, accurate, and safe devices for monitoring electrical consumption. While they do not have the same safety concerns as FPE load centers, it's always recommended to consult with a qualified electrician before installing any electrical equipment. To further elaborate, let's consider the function of a meter center. Its primary purpose is to accurately measure electrical consumption. It achieves this by employing sophisticated metering technology. This ensures that the readings are precise and consistent over time. This is crucial for billing purposes and for monitoring energy usage patterns. The durability of FPE meter centers contributes to their reliability. They are built to withstand various environmental conditions, ensuring long-term performance. This reduces the need for frequent replacements or repairs. The ease of installation and maintenance is another significant advantage. Clear markings and accessible terminals simplify the wiring process. This reduces the time and effort required for installation. Regular maintenance is also made easier, allowing for quick inspections and necessary repairs. The safety features incorporated into FPE meter centers are paramount. Ground fault detection is a critical safety measure. It detects any leakage of current to ground and immediately interrupts the power supply. This prevents electrical shocks and reduces the risk of fire. Circuit breakers are another essential safety component. They protect individual circuits from overloads and short circuits. This prevents damage to equipment and minimizes the risk of electrical hazards. Meter guards provide an additional layer of protection. They prevent accidental contact with live terminals. This is particularly important in areas where unauthorized personnel may have access to the meter center. Compliance with industry standards and certifications is a testament to the quality and safety of FPE meter centers. Underwriters Laboratories listing ensures that the meter center has been tested and meets stringent safety requirements. Canadian Standards Association listing provides similar assurance for products sold in Canada. American National Standards Institute SAT 4.1 establishes standards for voltage ratings and operating characteristics of electrical power systems. The differences between meter centers and load centers are significant. Meter centers primarily measure electricity usage and provide protection against electrical hazards. Load centers, on the other hand, distribute power to individual circuits within a building. This distinction is important to understand when selecting the appropriate electrical equipment. The load demand management capabilities of FPE meter centers are also noteworthy. They allow for monitoring and control of electrical loads. This can help to optimize energy usage and reduce costs. In summary, FPE meter centers are generally regarded as reliable, accurate, and safe devices. They offer a range of features and benefits that make them a popular choice for monitoring electrical consumption. It is important to note that while FPE meter centers do not have the same safety concerns as FPE load centers, it is always advisable to consult with a qualified electrician before installing any electrical equipment. This ensures that the installation is performed correctly and that all safety precautions are taken. Furthermore, proper maintenance and periodic inspections are essential to ensure the continued reliability and safety of FPE meter centers. This includes checking for loose connections, damaged components, and any signs of wear and tear. By following these guidelines, you can maximize the performance and lifespan of your FPE meter center. FPE meter centers are designed to accurately measure electrical consumption and provide protection against electrical hazards. These devices play a crucial role in monitoring and managing electricity usage in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. Their reputation for reliability, accuracy, and safety is a testament to their quality and design. While FPE load centers have faced scrutiny due to safety concerns, the meter centers have generally maintained a positive standing in the industry. This is attributed to their robust construction, advanced metering technology, and comprehensive safety features. The accuracy of FPE meter centers is paramount. They are designed to provide precise and consistent readings of electrical consumption. This accuracy is essential for billing purposes, energy management, and identifying potential energy waste. The reliability of FPE meter centers is also a key factor in their positive reputation. They are built to withstand various environmental conditions and provide long-term performance. This reduces the need for frequent replacements or repairs, saving time and money. The safety features incorporated into FPE meter centers are comprehensive. Ground fault detection, circuit breakers, and meter guards work together to protect against electrical shocks, overloads, and short circuits. These safety features are essential for ensuring the safety of personnel and equipment. Compliance with industry standards and certifications further reinforces the quality and safety of FPE meter centers. Underwriters Laboratories listed, Canadian Standards Association listed, and American National Standards Institute's 84.1 compliance demonstrate that the meter centers have been tested and meet stringent safety and performance requirements. Unlike FPE load centers, meter centers do not distribute power to individual circuits. Instead, they focus on measuring electricity usage, providing protection against electrical hazards, and managing load demand. This specialized function allows them to excel in their specific role. The installation and maintenance of FPE meter centers are designed to be straightforward. Clear markings and accessible terminals simplify the wiring process. Regular maintenance is also made easier, allowing for quick inspections and necessary repairs. The load demand management capabilities of FPE meter centers are also noteworthy. They allow for monitoring and control of electrical loads, which can help to optimize energy usage and reduce costs. In conclusion, FPE meter centers are generally considered to be reliable, accurate, and safe devices for monitoring electrical consumption. Their robust construction, advanced metering technology, and comprehensive safety features contribute to their positive reputation. While they do not have the same safety concerns as FPE load centers, it is always recommended to consult with a qualified electrician before installing any electrical equipment. This ensures that the installation is performed correctly and that all safety precautions are taken. Proper maintenance and periodic inspections are also essential to ensure the continued reliability and safety of FPE meter centers. Let's dive a little deeper into the specific aspects that contribute to the positive reputation of FPE meter centers, focusing on their technical features and compliance. Considering the reliability aspect, FPE meter centers often employ high-quality components and robust designs. This ensures they can withstand harsh environmental conditions such as temperature fluctuations, humidity, and vibrations. The materials used in the construction are carefully selected for their durability and resistance to corrosion. This attention to detail translates to a longer lifespan and reduced maintenance requirements. The accuracy of FPE meter centers relies on advanced metering technology. They often incorporate solid-state metering devices that provide precise and consistent readings. These devices are calibrated to ensure accuracy within specified tolerances. The metering data is typically stored electronically, allowing for easy retrieval and analysis. The safety features of FPE meter centers are designed to protect against a range of electrical hazards. Ground fault detection is a crucial component. It continuously monitors the current flowing through the grounding conductor. If a ground fault occurs, the detection system immediately trips a circuit breaker, interrupting the power supply and preventing electrical shock. Circuit breakers are another essential safety feature. They protect individual circuits from overloads and short circuits. When the current exceeds a safe level, the circuit breaker trips, preventing damage to equipment and reducing the risk of fire. Meter guards provide a physical barrier to prevent accidental contact with live terminals. They are typically made of durable materials and are designed to withstand impact. Compliance with industry standards and certifications is a key indicator of the quality and safety of FPE meter centers. Underwriters Laboratories listing indicates that the meter center has been tested and meets Underwriters Laboratories safety standards. This certification is widely recognized and respected in the electrical industry. Canadian Standards Association listing provides similar assurance for products sold in Canada. American National Standards Institute's 84.1 establishes standards for voltage ratings and operating characteristics of electrical power systems. FPE meter centers are designed to comply with these standards, ensuring compatibility and safe operation. Unlike FPE load centers, meter centers are not designed to distribute power to individual circuits. They primarily serve to measure electricity usage, provide protection against electrical hazards, and manage load demand. This specialized function allows them to excel in a specific role. The installation of FPE meter centers typically involves connecting the incoming power lines to the meter center and then connecting the outgoing power lines to the load side. The wiring must be performed in accordance with the National Electrical Code and local electrical codes. It is important to ensure that all connections are tight and secure to prevent overheating and electrical hazards. Regular maintenance of FPE meter centers is essential to ensure their continued reliability and safety. This includes inspecting the meter center for any signs of damage or corrosion, checking the tightness of all connections, and testing the operation of the ground fault detection system and circuit breakers. Any necessary repairs should be performed by a qualified electrician. The load demand management capabilities of FPE meter centers are becoming increasingly important in today's energy-conscious world. These meter centers can provide data on peak demand, energy consumption patterns, and other relevant metrics. This data can be used to optimize energy usage and reduce costs. Some FPE meter centers also offer advanced features such as remote monitoring and control. These features allow users to monitor their energy consumption and control their loads from a remote location. In conclusion, FPE meter centers are generally considered to be reliable, accurate, and safe devices for monitoring electrical consumption. Their robust construction, advanced metering technology, comprehensive safety features, and compliance with industry standards contribute to their positive reputation. While they do not have the same safety concerns as FPE load centers, it is always recommended to consult with a qualified electrician before installing or maintaining any electrical equipment.